Okay, hey everybody. I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit to let you guys know where I got these items from. Okay, so these little chokers you see with the gemstones or jewelry pieces glued on them, I got them from Walmart. They're normally like $5 at any Walmart. You can also use the little $5 long chains or gold chains that they have. I just got these chokers with the jewelry pieces on them because they were on sale. They were $3. So I bought four of them. So I spent $12 on all of the jewelry pieces. What would cost me much more if I didn't just get it from these Walmart chokers. And as you can see, it looks like they hot glued them on, so I'm just pulling them off. Every single choker, and then I'm going to take the pieces and then glue them on. At the beginning of the video I did say do not use a hot glue gun because as you can see, as simply as I just peeled all of these little pieces off of this necklace, that's how it's going to be once you hot glue these pieces to your jeans. It's literally the same concept. You're gluing these pieces onto a piece of fabric, just like this choker. So it's just going to be easy for it to come off. So that's why I said use some E6000 glue instead of the hot glue gun. And you'll see in a little bit. Okay, so at this part, just go ahead and take all of your gems and space them out or place them on the pair of jeans how you would want them. You don't want to go in with the glue and start pasting them on because then you could get confused and lost that way, and then you might not like the design that you come up with. So, but then they'll be stuck because you glued them on. So just don't do it that way. Just go ahead and pre-place the gems on the jeans how you think you would like them, and then glue them on into that space that you already put them afterwards. Okay, so at this point is when I went in with the hot glue gun and started gluing down the gems with the hot glue, and I was just like, let me see if it's actually sticking to the jeans, and of course it was not. After I hot glued it and then pressed down on it, I waited like a few seconds and then peeled it completely off. It was like a little bit of a struggle, but not really. So that's when I was like, I'm just gonna go in with the E6000 glue, and that's what you're seeing here.
Did not work. It says good for fabric, but it's not. So let's try it with this. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let it dry, and then I'll try it on when it is dry.